Hey, it's Fluffo bringing you a challenge hotter than fresh fries. Today's episode, we are doing something super fun. You get to fill up your dream fridge. There are so many choices, snacks, sweets, drinks, and more, and you will be the one choosing what to add. This is not just a fridge, it's personality test. But before we start tea, these are the best comments from the previous video. Go now quickly and write a comment. I read all your comments. If you finish watching the video for the last, you will get the opportunity to appear in the next video. And now smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and let the fun begin. Before we stock it up, choose your fridge that about to get load. Your dream fridge is waiting. What do you add first? Pick one Oreo. Yummy versus yummier. Which one lands in your fridge? Pick your super yummy cookies. Pick before Fluffo eats them all. Choose one cereal. Your pick decides your mission, like, subscribe, comment, or maybe all of them. Snack attack time? Pick your weapon. Choose your chips now. The power is in your hands. Choose now. Many options. One winner. What's yours? Okay, fridge bosses, which meal you are tossing up? Dessert lovers, your fridge is about to become heaven on earth. Load it up. The fridge is about to be Chocoholic's dream. Pick now. Pick wisely. Fluffo has snacks radar. Choose your Pocky favorite flavor. And now, it's McDonald's time. Okay, load it now with some healthy fruits. Nerds take over. This fridge just got 100 times cooler. Choose one now. Choose wisely. Your Doritos pick decides your vibe. Don't panic, but Fluffo is watching your choice. Yogurt time. Which one is diving into your dream fridge? Choose one. Luchi, chocolate gateau, or cinnamon roll. Choose your plate. Fluffo choose the pizza. It's Fluffos obsession. Your fridge can only handle one Pringles flavor. Decide now. If you had to pick one, which breakfast is yours? Warning, snacks ahead. Which one's your fave? Liquid Gold Alert. Which drink's winning? Haribo Gummies. Which flavor would you choose? Nutella cravings hitting hard. What's your fave way to snack it? Fresh, crunchy, and full of power. What's your veggie pick? I want to know in the comments, what was your most chosen option? Don't stop here. Check out these videos. They are even funnier.